Welcome back everyone. So let's look at the lab topology which we will be using in our whole lab now. So this will be the main topology and we will be using this same topology for most of our labs from here after. So in the main topology you can see that I do have two management subnets over here. So for one I am using for the lab. So on over here you can see that this is the lab management, and to take the remote PC and connect physically, get the remote sessions for the my PCs and the Windows server, then I will be using the physical connection so that I can have those access via the my laptop. Now the whole topology is being set up in the ESXi, so all of them are virtual machine, none of them are the physical machines. Right, so my management will be 172.168.100.0 network, and I do have PC1 and PC2 on a two different subnets, and also I do have my data center, you can say domain controller. So in this domain controller, you can see that I have installed the Active Directory, DNS, web server, and the certificate authority. So there are multiple servers which are running on the domain controller. So now Palo Alto, we have it only one Palo Alto for now, and I have also included one web browser. So this is not been installed yet, and this is also not been installed yet, but in future videos when we require those services servers, then we will go ahead and install it. But definitely we are going to have this web server and the malware server so that we can stop the attack, and also we can mitigate the, what do we say, block the traffic which is malicious. So this will be our topology from hereafter, and also you can see that my management PC has a default gateway towards the router, and the PC1 and PC2 also have the default gateway towards my internal router. So this is my internal router which will be doing routing. All right, so and the internal router has a default gateway towards my Palo Alto. And in the DMZ, I do have only one domain controller, so it has only one PC connected on this interface, and the default gateway to the domain controller is the Palo Alto. So basically, all the system and all the PCs and the servers should be going to internet passing through the Palo Alto. That's how the lab has been set up. So I hope this was informative for you, and thank you.